the Eufy Smart Lock Touch and Wi-Fi. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will look at a smart lock by Eufy, which features Smart Touch and Wi-Fi. I will go over specs, features, brief installation, and demonstrate the lock. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. The lock features advanced fingerprint along with Wi-Fi. It has a 10,000 mAh rechargeable battery that can last up to 1 year. App control. Works with Alexa and Google Assistant. It's IP65 weatherproof rating and can work in -22 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to 158 degrees. It's proven to work with over 250,000 rounds. Emergency unlock using a power bank or a key. And it has bank-grade encryptions for your fingerprints. And it's able to lock automatically. The lock comes packaged organized nicely with the labels on the particular steps for installation. You have the user guide on the top, and right below that is the inside and outside assembly. Below the assembly, you'll find the screws, deadbolt, strike plate, and mounting plates. The inside assembly feels solid and has some good weight to it. On the back, you can see the mechanisms for the deadbolt, along for the cable connection port. Removing the top cover will give you access to the battery compartment. The mounting plate for the inside assembly also has a rubberized back so it will not damage or mark up your door. The outside assembly also feels solid. It has a nice mirror-like finish. The back has a rubber padding as well, and you can see the cable that will connect to the inside assembly. And this is how the rechargeable 10,000 mAh battery looks. It uses a micro USB port to charge, and it can last up to 1 year. Now I'll highlight the installation process. The instructions are pretty straightforward and it walks you step by step. I've prepped the door that I will be installing the lock on. I've installed the deadbolt and tightened it with the supplied screws. Once the deadbolt is installed, proceed with the outside assembly and guide the tailpiece and cable through the hole. Proceed with installing the inside assembly, starting off with the mounting plate, and then the assembly. Use the supplied screws to tighten everything into place. Once you've installed it, you want to test the lock and make sure it turns smoothly and there's no resistance. Insert the battery and download the Eufy app. Select the Smart Lock Wi-Fi device from the list and follow the on-screen prompts for getting it connected to your Wi-Fi network. Once connected, it may need a firmware update, and when everything is completed, you will see the lock on the main dashboard. Click on the lock and you will have access to the features. You can see a log of events when the lock was unlocked and locked, and you can add additional users, set the passcode for each one along with the fingerprints. In the lock settings, you can toggle the auto lock feature, wrong try attempts, scramble password, sounds, calibration, and general settings. This is how to unlock and lock using the app. Now using the fingerprint. Using the passcode. Using the key, just slide the cover to the side. You can also use a power bank to power the lock in case it runs out of the battery to open it. You can see the port on the bottom. The smart lock performed with no issues and it was very easy to install. It's well built and I like the multiple ways you can open and close it. The fingerprint reader was instant and there was no delay, along with the touchpad and the app. The Wi-Fi integration is also a plus and you can open the lock remotely. This is definitely a good option if you're looking for a smart lock, and the price is competitive. So that is my review of the Eufy Smart Lock Touch and Wi-Fi. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.